morning ma'am, it's OKSANA THAPA MAGAR from 8C and it's my project for OBTE. 9 cm square, 5 cm squares that I got, some threads, glue stick, paper, scissors and cardboard. First I started making up some petals for the roses, and for that I just need to fold them in half 3 times. After folding it, I need to draw some circle things for the petals. Then I cut it. After that we got some petals. I just started doing the same thing over and over from here on. To make the petals of the same size, I used the petals from before I did and use it as a marking for how much I need the petal to be. To make the flowers, I need 4 sets of the 9 cm squares. Then do the same thing like I did to the petals before. And then I got the tips from the petals. Here I got the sharp part of the petals, and it looks more like a flower now. I do the same thing for the rest of them. After that I cut the petals, just one of them, and then glue it, and it looks more like a flower. I do the same thing, but the only thing is that I do it for the first flower I did 1 time, I cut it 1 time, then for the second 2 times, 3 times and 4 times, just like that I cut it. After that, I got some circles to make up for the whole of the flower. Then I glue it. After that, I glue all of the petals to the biggest petal to make it a rose.